Right, hi there, it's John and Liana here, again
Hi.
at IntoU. We're just chatting about connection and what that means. There's recent stuff in the news. For example, in the UK, it's reported that people are having less sex, and the same research has actually come out very recently. I saw an Economist last week. Effectively, the same thing's happening in the States. Now, a lot of the research and sort of conclusions seem to show that people are actually beginning to lose the ability to know how to connect with each other. It was really sad. And some other research places, I don't know if you're aware of this, but in primary schools, and it's particularly just you, Liana, with the young kid Eddie, is children are actually having to be taught how to make eye contact with other children. Because they just spend so much time looking at the TV, their iPad and all that stuff, which is engaging, it absorbs them. But they really have lost those natural skills that people would have. So, I don't know, what do you think the answer is?
I think there is not a straightforward answer.
No.
I think it is really about seeing it as a natural thing. Connection is a natural thing we used to do, and which is in our genes, more or less. So to just relax and do the things they come up, rather than judging yourself and trying to guess how to do it right, to just be yourself.
Yeah. I mean, we live in this Instagram world, don't we? And people talk about Instagram holidays, and people are choosing to go on holidays where they can then show off to their friends on Instagram and Facebook. But that's not real connection. That's just kind of showing off and trying to be part of a perceived group of people, which actually doesn't exist.
I think it is a replacement. That's the problem, that people use more and more these social medias as a replacement for real connection. And I have worked with a lot of teenagers, young adults, and they really don't know. They don't know what to do, how to start a conversation. Even when there are proper clues, social clues, that a person is interested, they don't see that because
They're
they
not picking them up. Yeah.
No, they don't anymore.
Yeah. So, anyhow, and why I was thinking about that, really, just thinking about the IntoU thing and what we've got going here is really to provide a really safe place that people can actually meet and nowadays literally practice making connections with people. Not just and in a meaningful way. So actually people can come along in a really safe place. They don't have to worry about being anything particular or being smart or clever or showing off. And provide a sort of format where we give people stuff to do together. They can learn to connect, learn about relationships, have conversations like this, the kind of thing that we're trying to encourage. So, yeah.
Yes, so if you're interested in really relearning and forgetting what is in the way to have a real connection, then why not try out what we can offer? And if you can really enjoy having a different experience.
Yeah, absolutely. So come along and
See you there.
hopefully see you there.
Bye.